Bwogere baidi bantu bakuba wano obululu bayuza balitikinga ngaga webenda oyo kyali kwogera kituufu era wano tubabaire kulonda muntu kwesalirawo batusalirawo kulonda bene baidi bantu kubatusalirawo busalire
mimi yuko na list hapa mimi ndio chairman I know I found him there you just help him you help him bana abataka
obanga wensimba wongo idingo olina amaanyi kozesa amaanyi gago olimba
baja kwala tutya abalalo bululu balifaawo obulu tuli buyizayizaamu nekyo bodi mubera
wasira imwe mujye mwireyo kutabula cyane afande muzeya abantu bana besimbe tetubagala noyo tutumwagala iwe kundi
bwawalala
onaga yiberere bwana atekeze nganaga
balala mu kikosi kirale
ekyo kibe kikosi
ayo mwinga bano bafu mulala
wano kumuzigite obululu kwa muntu
mulala ono mawaifa wano mululu kuba kubasi ningaba wa
but ya wano but lekeire
ani tunasema
yakumwa yona wali naona sana akuba dia lunda
tifosa wakala
kala laka
Edu singa batwaire butwale aya nti obululu obundi babutwaire obundi bayizizaako obundi tibayiziza butimpigano kuli kyakola accountability entya ntisobola akola dyala fomu ng'obululu obundi buzirawo tokibona balesewo ku ntono diti kuda nani kuda city chairperson balekawo nikuda directly elected councillor duna balisewo ku ntono ida abakazi wazira wairi endala baluna bajiri nado tibayize
bakwati be mutuwe form empapula tukole ki tuyitinge hati obulu bakoze ki bamaze okubuyiba bagame empapula batitingaku bagame form baditingaku bada muji mu box kote mu box eyesimbyewo yene yatukirawo watusawo yakwali kuza ikona box ebere muki ebere mu yesimbyewo sula muyita yesimbyewo yagamo badigwire beda speed balaba nozanga baliawo ngabalondesa batusawo bagenda nabo batola oda banaga empapula dodona dagawo bajali bazitinga ku speed nebero deibwe bagema basam box obululu wonanga wawaire
which was here were well staffed from within even the nearby bush. So we are contesting. We shall not agree for this to be done here. We thought it is a free and fair election, but it has turned worse and really unfair. I'm calling for the EC not to put this polling station into account, and even other polling station, most especially this one, most especially this parish, Bwebbye parish, Bwebbye village, which is Kobwa parish, and other parishes. So I'm not agreeing with it totally, and I will not allow that.
Well, omuntu aenda services dimutuke ku omuntu amogera his issues idatuka. That's what we should be interested in. Omuntu, you can see in Jinja we've got bad roads. Waste management is very poor. We move in dusty roads. Of course, even the health services. People who can bring services to the people, who can talk issues out without fear. You know, talk about this. The turnout is certainly very low. The turnout is very, very low. Very low. Waliwo ni confusion nga mzeeyo nompera akali kulonda taidi gundi bamwizere n'abantu abandi abali ku gundi tibaidi kunonya mayina bulungi kala abantu abandi besunwa mangu.
Sister ange yafudde kati akantu nakalese mu nyumba ebuziika gyensula kati nzize okulonda erinnya mweriri angambye tojja kulonda. He refused.
Who?
That one, the first one, putting that kakofira white.
What is he saying?
Agamba mbunga tolese kakadi, you want to go togenda kulonda bwali kungamba. Amanya nze Kate za Lwango.
Katodole takadi.
Wala so akuddayo.
Uirera zen hanonze. Kagaluni kano
tingano bulungi
nendo kwebaza abantu mwena abasobole kubanga mwida mulonda wairoluna kolwalere nonda wairoluna kolwalere nonda tabaire amaani n'abantu tuli kubananga baida nokulonda ekintu ekikambwe ino batinsaba nti abantu okulonda kuno ku local levels niko twandisinze okubanga twenigira mu kubanga ntu tukulonda abantu bene abali wansi wano atenga services that wetaaga n'abali tutusaako. So bwekibanga wakaliwo bomuntu ngokalina mu time n'amaani ng'obonanga wandidi walonda, it is very important to perform this function kubanga bolonda Meeya nolonda ni kansalawo ebibe twenda okutukolera bibitira mu local government okutuli kuba level y'owa president eba igulu emirimu gyemba gikolera Kampala ayi wano ku level yaife tulina okubanga tukolera emirimu yaife
ndo bategeeza nti onakolwa leero bali bakudecidinga abannayuganda badecidinga naddala mu local government ani ajja okuba omukulembeze ndide nalonda yes well and good wano babaire okay but nendo kakasa igwanga nti polling station edomu namulesa ni mafubira dona omwami RCC kiganira muganda wa candidate yetu ivuganya naye babaire ku site ba deployinze nze mwene njiye ne mutabani wange nga tujire okuboneka nti tuli ku monitoring emirimu gyaife batugwire ku batukuba omwana bamuyiza face yena bamuyize enindo bakubose bali kuba mwire bali kuba abantu bange bali n'abantu bali kutambute bululu bali kutambutu kifuba omuntu azira mu register kwegamba. That's the level ndi kubiriza abana Uganda mutege nti Akaluka ntikabide free and fair atenga twayitwikizega nti Akaluka be free and fair.
I have played my part as Mayor Jinja City Kasolo. I've come to vote and I'm done with the voting, and I've also cast my vote to my favorite candidate. So I want to thank the people of Jinja who have been there for me, and those that I'm expecting will continue this game and will continue supporting me for the next term, because we are looking at the bigger picture of Jinja. That is why we encourage people to come and perform this function. It is so critical because a leader determines what will happen for the 5 years, and what you determine will impact on the lives of the people. It is true, I've also observed it, the voter turnout is very low, but this is very dangerous, because if you don't come and vote, you are letting your will and your powers to be determined by other people. Remember, this local leadership in the local governments, this is where service delivery is given to you people. Because when you talk of government and parliament, that is business in Kampala.
He did it, I've voted, otherwise on the other side of Northern Division, the whole thing has gone quagmire. The man so-called RCC and his brother, they have decided to disorganize the whole system. Actually, they are voting, they have brought up goons who are just voting without being in the register. It is very unfortunate. I'm appealing to whoever has the right to put that man into order, to stop that action. Otherwise, as of now, I'm contesting. I can't allow those polling stations for Mafubira and Namalesa. I want to state this clearly. I will not allow those Mafubira and Namalesa polling stations where the man has put all his effort to sabotage and frustrate the would-be free and fair election. I remain Mayor Kirunda Mbarak.
The Waliwo polling station, Bwebbye ward, njitegeddeko naye information ebe tugifunye tuwabaddeyo chaos. Police negenda DPC agenzeeyo ne team ye okusobola okuestablishinga kiki ddala ekibaddewo ku ground. Kati we mujjidde mbadde sinaba kufuna report okuva eri police, kuba yo police bwetuukayo ekola interrogations, ekola assessments, ne tusobola okutegeera exactly ekibaddewo. Abantu ababulijjo bareportinga, sigamba nti bareportinga bubi, bakola amawulire bareportinga, naye oluusi nabo amawulire gaabwe oba weetaaga okuwulira ku side zones. At some polling station in Bwebbye ward, it's unfortunate that some people chose to behave funny during the polling process. Good enough, police has taken a step to go and investigate. They have gone to the ground to arrest the situation, and in that process, of course, they do a number of interrogations from which they will give us a feedback and also determine. We shall also be able to determine what the next step can be. What I've been informed, of course, the presiding officer has been taken to the police station to make a statement. Depending on the statement he gives and some of the facts on the ground, we shall be able to know to establish. The voter turn-up, of course, in the beginning, it is relatively low, but probably we are hopeful. Sometimes people have a tendency of coming at the last minute. So let's wait and see. The voter turn-up, of course, in the beginning, it is relatively low, but probably we are hopeful. Sometimes people have a tendency of of coming at the last minute. So let's wait and see. Tebazze mu bungi nnyo nga bwe kyali suubiddwa. Olw'okuba nti tosobola kumanya nnyo puroguramu z'abantu, tulowooza nti basobola okuba tebazze mu morning hours mu budde obw'okumakya, tebasobodde kujja bangi, naye nga engeri obudde gye bukyaliko obw'okulonda time y'okuggalawo tennatuuka, bayinza okujja mu budde buno obusembayo.
Obulu bwonna bwona obutabo babusaba banaaba isi abaidye okulondesa, babatolako obutabo bwonna babutiikinga era babugema babuyiwa mugundi mwetulina mu bokisi. So nebyo ebibeire wano.